Oh.
Yeah. In intake too, I will intake.
Be careful, Jerry. Okay, we'll continue now. And no Kenyan students, no. No, there's two more, I think, to start today. So there might be. Why, someone told you? What's that? Kenyan greeting?
Are you guys close to other Muslims and
Huh?
What? Sorry.
Translates as.
Are you guys know each other well on other classes?
Give me some like street hello, you know. Sema? Meaning like what's up? Nice. Sema.
Malaysian.
I never say hello to other Korean people.
I'll try it.
I'm really shy.
Okay.
What the? Really?
Let's continue. Continue.
Oh, don't care about them.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they'll be back. They are.
Here.
It's KJ and Andrew. Live in.
They've gone to check their results on the notice board.
Yeah, no. It's on the notebook.
Really?
Oh no, you just said that. Okay.
No, I put the results there last week for the maths and the physics exam and coursework.
Coursework.
Yeah, it's all on the notice board.
Where is it?
Outside Sylvia's office.
Oh my god.
It was there since last
Why don't
week.
you just tell us?
The coursework.
Because I don't know it, but I put it on the notice board.
What?
No, it's too far from here.
Yeah, it's so far. Can
Oh.
someone take photo and you guys go?
Maybe they're
Why don't you send a text to KJ and
I'm not close to
They're
them.
doing pretty cool.
or who else is there? What's his name?
Andrew.
Wow.
Ask him to take a picture and send it if you want.
Ask him.
It's me.
You know, it'd be funny if you came through the door
I'm
right
very
now.
shy person, so I cannot. What? Why are you getting around this?
Next lesson.
First lesson.
Yeah, next lesson.
Spell.
QUO. It's there. You can see it there neater. QUOTIENT.
No, you got the notice board. Did you go to the notice board?
They're not going to know.
Okay, I thought yeah.
They're not going to know.
They're right there.
You didn't give us mercy, Silver.
That's right. I didn't give any mercy.
Why?
I have no mercy.
Do you have a picture?
No?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's what you did.
The maths was good and the physics was good, and the maths coursework was good and the physics coursework was not so good.
You don't understand what we are like.
No, it's not that.
You don't understand.
Not that. No, it's just the physics. Like I said, it's not your fault because it's unfair to give you such a big essay to do when you only started 4 weeks ago. You know, like you did the essay in like week 4, week 5. I feel this is unfair, but they make me do it, so I have to do it.
What was the criteria?
Huh?
Criteria.
It was given to you.
Oh yeah.
KJ,
Criteria, like.
you got the second highest coursework result for physics.
Whoa.
I know, but this is weird.
And the person who got the highest is practically a native speaker to your right.
So is it because of English?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Now, just because you're the highest doesn't mean you got a big score.
Now I wonder how it's going.
Guys, if you're wondering about your physics result, no, what I mean is, to be honest, the biggest mistake everybody made was they had a weak introduction and conclusion, but they had a strong main body. However, you got more marks for your introduction and your conclusion than you did for the main body. So everybody made the mistake, and I told everybody what the marks were. I said it was like 20 for introduction, wasn't it? Or well, anyways, I told you what it was. I remember that you got more marks for the introduction, conclusion, and reference. I think it was like 20, 20, 20. Yeah, it was 20, 20, 20.
44 out of 100.
Correct. Listen, I'm explaining. Are you listening to me? I'm explaining.
Oh yeah.
Guys, please, I'm trying to explain because you're all...
Oh, we have seen it.
Introduction, 20. This is for the introduction. The main body, 40. The conclusion, 20. And the reference at the end, 20. It was something like this. And I told you this. And everybody forgot this. And they made the mistake. Everybody made the mistake of putting all their energy into this, and most people had pathetic introductions and conclusions, especially conclusions. Yeah.
Teacher, what is math cost for?
What is math?
Well, I mean, what did we do?
The cubic.
The cube.
The cubic.
Ah.
Sean, you did better in your physics coursework than your maths coursework. Your physics is better than your maths.
What is physics?
That is not a compliment.
That's interesting.
Teacher.
What?
It's interesting. Your physics was better than your maths. But I don't understand what happened with the maths. What happened?
What?
Oh.
Math you are.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know either.
Exam.
Okay. Okay, guys, can we continue, please? Are you all... Oh, I shouldn't have told you the results were on the notice board.
We can continue.
Can I?
Yeah.
Guys, can you try and forget about the physics coursework 1? Because like I said, if I had...
003.
Yeah, who is 00? Ah, yeah. She is 0.
63.
Who do you think? Who has the best English in this class?
I have a question. The British essay is about the English. Is not what you
But even Monica get only 63. I
That's
mean,
my
even
point.
Monica.
That's my... That's my...
You know who Monica is?
Yes, I know who she is.
She get.
I know who Monica is. Look, guys, the assignment, the coursework 1 for physics is hard. I'm just happy if you pass it.
Okay. Why is it going
Okay, the one is a password.
Huh?
Why is it going to pass?
40 is the pass.
Oh, you don't password.
40 is the pass. Yeah. Look, guys, I am sorry about the coursework. If I had a choice, I would give you a different coursework.
Isn't it D?
But I don't have a choice. I have to give you an essay. But if I had a choice, I would have you do something else, like a presentation.
You could give us a more.
Yeah.
I can't because they give me the instructions on how to mark.
It's how much percentage is
10%
of the
total grade.
7.
Yeah. But your exam is worth the same amount as the coursework.
10%.
Yeah, 10% also. So so in other words, your exam can offset your coursework. And your coursework too is a lab report. And for the lab report, the English matters less. It's more about the results, the graphs, the descriptions, and all this stuff.
Sometimes.
Are you doing lab reports for chemistry?
Yes.
Yeah.
26.
Guys, I need to continue now. Can we forget about the results?
Yes.
And if you have any questions about it, you can email me. Okay? Okay, but to be honest, for the physics coursework, your life will be better if you forget about it and continue with your life. Okay? Yes. Okay. Most important result on that notice board is your end of semester 1. Okay, that's the most important result. If you're happy with your end of semester 1, if you got your A or B or whatever you were hoping to get, then that's all that matters on that notice board. Okay? Now, next, the quotient rule. So the last lesson was the product rule. So what do you think the quotient rule is for? Divide. Yeah. So we have y equals fx over gx. And you can already tell me what the derivative is not. It is not what?
fx over gx.
Yeah, it's not this. Not this. So, what is it? Let's find it. Yeah. Okay. Continue?
Yep.
So, let's do the trick we did last time. Fx plus h over gx plus h minus fx over gx all over h. Okay? I'll just put my divide by h at the end like that. And I want to add these together, make it just one. So let me just put it here like this. So that would be gx plus h times gx. Yeah? And then here, that's going to be fx plus h times gx. And then at the back, minus fx gx plus h. Now, like before, I left the space in the middle. So, the space in the middle, this is what I'll put in this time. Minus fx gx plus fx gx. And also, I'll change the divide by h into multiply by 1 over h. Okay, so I'll just give you a minute before I continue. Okay, you got that? Yep. Yep. Now, let's continue. So, what do I have in common that I can take out at the beginning? What can I take out at the beginning? I can take out that gx. And I'm left with fx plus h minus fx. And then for the next two, what can I take out? I'll take out minus fx. And I'm left with gx plus h minus gx. All over gx plus h, gx, and h. Got that? Yeah?
No.
Yep. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll just separate this a bit. that h, I want to divide it in. I'm going to put it like this. Gx fx plus h minus fx over h minus fx gx plus h minus gx over h. All over gx plus h, gx. Yeah? Now, let's make h go to 0. So, that will become gx, I mean. And what will this piece become? Minus all over
G prime
no.
G
X squared.
Say again, KJ?
X squared.
Yeah. G squared.
What?
Yeah.
Why is that G squared?
Gx.
oh yeah
I often state this in words. It's easier for me to remember in words. So if I have y equals top over bottom, then the derivative, I do it like this. It's the bottom squared, the bottom times derivative of the top minus the top times derivative of the bottom. Let's test this out. Let's test it out with one where we know the answer. Y equals tan x. What's the derivative here? Yeah. Now why can I use the quotient rule? Because tan is the same as... Yeah. So let's see what we get now. Derivative is, okay, the bottom squared, the bottom times derivative of the top, minus the top times derivative of the bottom, minus sign, so plus, which is cos squared plus sine squared over cos squared. But what's cos squared plus sine squared?
One.
Yeah? Y plus, two minuses. There was a minus. Yeah? Okay, write this down, our first example. We'll try another one. Yeah? Try this for me. I want the derivative of this function. Got that? Got an answer? Jeremy, what was your answer?
My answer is x cosine minus sin x.
X cosine x minus,
Sin x
yeah?
divided by x squared.
Do you all get that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, here's another one for you to try. Let's say something similar. X over log x. We'll just make x a positive, not that it matters too much. Or we'll make x bigger than 1. Not that you need it to be known. Okay, derivative of this, please. I should really say here, it's not 0. Okay, we got answers here now. Monica, what did you get for this one? Log x? Yeah. Yeah, like this? Yeah. Okay, let me give you a harder one now. Well, maybe before a harder one, try this one. Got it? Yeah?
Oh, we have to use the rule.
No, you don't. I was trying to trick you. You don't actually need the quotient rule here, because you could have just said this. Did you use the quotient rule? Lol. Lol. You get this as the answer. Okay, now time for a hard one. Try this one. Now this is interesting because what rule do you need for this one? Two. Product and quotient. And which rule do you need to use first? Everyone says product, but it's actually quotient.
What?
Because think about it like this: which is this first? Is it first a division problem or yeah? It's a division problem with a product part, not a product problem with a division part. Got it?
Yes.
Hard?
No.
Sad.
Sad? No, just hungry.
Yes.
Do you want this?
Hungry.
See, I was thinking that, but
Living, stay is good.
I was thinking this, I was thinking all this, but I thought, no, I shall resist and wait and have a nice big lunch. I'm feeling like, I feel like I really want like chips or something. Oh, no, we're not finishing until 10 to.
It's not have a continuation.
Oh, you said 30 minutes, I said 5 minutes.
I know. I'm not that.
You're not that bad, I know, you're not that bad. Okay, let's look at the answer here. Now, this one is, oh yeah, so I should tell you, this is a typical exam question. In the exam, they usually give you a problem that requires 2 rules. So, this will be a typical problem in the exam. This is usually actually what the exam starts with. This is normally question A1 in the exam. Something like this. So this is the start of the exam. So, it is the bottom squared. The bottom times derivative of the top minus the top times derivative of the bottom, which is a product. Derivative of the first plus derivative of the second, which cancels to make 1. And it's the answer. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Oh, we don't have to simplify.
No, you don't.
Teacher, can x log x become 1?
X log x.
Yeah.
Why would that be 1? Oh, okay. X, 1 over x can be 1, but this is still x log x.
What if we put x?
For x where? Onto it? What are you talking about, man? Where can I put this x?
No, I mean the first one, x log x.
Oh, this!
Yeah.
Why would I make that 1?
I mean, can we?
Can you do what? Make it 1? How? By doing what?
Log.
Putting the x over.
X over X. No, I understand.
Are you saying divide this by this?
No, so it becomes like log x power x.
Log x power x? How does that become 1?
Yeah.
What are you thinking, man? Explain me.
Oh.
Is that everything?
No, don't. I don't see what he's saying. What?
Oh.
On the way, 2 log 4 can be log 4 plus.
Oh, no.
No. This is not. This is not log xx. Remember, this is log base e xx.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you all lost your mind for a moment there. No. Okay, I understand what you were trying to do. Yeah, but you were forgetting that there's already a base. Yes.
We use product.
We did. There it is, right there. Why would I need the bottom is just squared.
Can we just write 1?
Yes? Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's vandalism.
Oh my god. It can't be movie.
Okay, let's go.
Next one, hard one. How hard? Maximum difficulty? Business difficulty.
Biology is easy.
No, I mean, if people change word, it's not difficult, but
Should I buy
just
your
follow
file?
that question.
Yeah, and copy all the notes into it. Yeah. All right. Hard one. Let's see. Let's see. No. Shh. I'm thinking of a good one.
2x plus.
Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah.
And you are angry.
There you go. Derivative of this, please. The Jerry question. Thank you, Jerry. Good idea. This is from Jerry.
So you finish early.
No.
Your computer is okay already?
Hmm?
The flu is over already?
No, not fully. Mostly.
Maybe you should take a rest.
That's kind of you.
Do you have things rules for that?
What? No, just the usual product and quotient rule, I think. Yeah. No. I can't see. That is I am totally getting this question, shaking your head from side to side. Good question. Oh, yeah, it's one of those shakes. Okay. Yes. All right, let's have a look at this now. Jerry, are you making a mess again? What's wrong with you? Oh, so messy, like a baby. Come on.
Yes, baby.
That's not.
You need to have one of those bibs.
Baby.
It's really a baby.
Baby.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
Baby.
Okay. You all clean now? Okay, good. Continue. Right. So this one a little bit tricky. Let's have a look here. So first, I need the bottom squared. What do I get on the bottom?
4.
Yeah, cos power 4 x. Then it's the bottom times derivative of the top, which is what?
0.
So actually that part's gone. Minus the top times derivative of the bottom. And what is this one? Double sin x cos x. Because this is actually the same as cos x cos x.
Minus.
Yeah, no, there's a minus there. Oh, and yeah, there's another minus in here. Sin x cos x.
And the 2.
And the 2, and the double. How could I forget the double? Now, the 2 minuses make a plus. And we can cancel one of the cos's with the top. So we're left with 2 sin x over cos cubed x. Did anybody get this?
Yeah.
Perfect, yeah? Over here? Is it? Okay, that's good. Well, it should be easy. This is question A1 on the exam.
A1.
Usually, yeah.
So hard.
Yeah, it looks like A.
Give up.
No.
But you have 2 marks.
This one would have maybe 3 marks.
Okay.
1 mark for the product rule, 1 mark for the quotient rule, 1 mark for the answer.
So we should simplify this.
No, you could have stopped here. Full marks. Yeah.
Do you have some master too?
I told you I'll print it for you this week.
I don't have to print it.
No, you don't have to print it. I'll print it for you.
Right.
You don't
Yes.
have to bring it.
No, you don't need to bring that. No.
Fire.
Of course you can.
Anyways, you have all of this on Moodle.
Uh-huh.
So you don't need to bring it. Okay, So that's some examples of the quotient rule. So you can see again, like the product rule, it's just, use the rule. That's all, use the rule. So I'll let you try these for 10 minutes and then we'll finish. Okay, so pick out some questions that would be good to try and you can start them now. Let me